My name is Naky, born and raised in Togo.
So you've been in Portugal for 10 years and you do so much in Lisbon and beyond, really the whole diaspora, because you're giving the African Lisbon tour. When did you start doing that tour, and how did you, like, the education and the background, how did you come about getting all of that knowledge and information so you could share it with the world?
Yeah, I would say from my childhood, I've been really interested into history. It was one of my favorite subjects, and the history of the African continent, also other countries, have been always like my main focus. And when I moved to Portugal, I have no plan. I didn't plan to do any tour. I was coming here to survive like any other person. And but in the meantime, when I was waiting for my legal moment with a legal document that allowed me to work for companies, I was interested into the history of Portugal, and I started doing like my research, and I was focused on the slave trade history and also the colonial past of Portugal. Um, so when you are new in a country, you need to have references. So I was trying to have conversation and asking questions to people I can meet in the street and asking them how this history starts here. And I've been having a lot of like romanticized version of the history. And I started like questioning this part of the thing, and I decided to investigate just for my own knowledge. And I also try to learn from tour guides because they're supposed to have like information that will be important. So all the tours that I took were also talking about the romanticized part of the history. So this is where the idea of creating a tour came from. So I started like writing the script and checking the city, what are the different spots that can be connected to the history of Africa. And yeah, this is why I put all this together into a tour. And I would say this knowledge is a process. It's a non-ending process because nobody nobody hold actually knowledge. You learn every single day. You learn from everyone. You learn every type of or every part of the history. So it's a process where uh, sources are diverse, and you always need to go through all the sources and try to take out like something that is important to share with people. So yeah, so it's a process that is not finished. I'm still doing it, and just because I need to update always the informations and make sure that uh, I mostly have proof for everything that's been said during the tour.